Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have a little bit of a different video. If you see me looking down a little bit, I'm just trying to make sure my lip gloss doesn't get on my teeth. So I have a different video today that you were supposed to see months ago, but I went to Georgia, came back from Georgia. Davis was still deployed, so I was a little bit busy, and then Davis got back from deployment, and then Christmas happened, and then we were gone, and now it's the new year, and I'm finally sharing with you this Amazon mystery box. And it's not just any mystery box. This is so heavy. Back in the summer, I said that I wanted to basically get a subscriber some money to go buy me their favorite things on Amazon. And I was gonna compensate them with an Amazon gift card too, so we both got to shop. I was supposed to open this back in the summertime, and at this point, I don't even remember, nor can I find the message of the follower that bought all this for me. So if it's you, girlfriend, please leave a comment down below. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and do it now. It's basically like an Amazon mystery unboxing. What she did was picked out her favorite things to surprise me with. I didn't wanna know what she was getting. I was like, do whatever you want with this amount that I'm giving to you, just surprise me and we'll make a YouTube video on it. So here we are. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, definitely give it a thumbs up. Maybe I'll do something like this again, but where I don't wait as long. We're gonna hop right into it because I'm ready. The box was like already open because when they were all coming in, I had her send it to the warehouse address, and I was having my team like unbox them for me just so I didn't see them, and then I never got around to it. So I've been doing a lot of Amazon shopping recently and a lot of organization. So if you want to see a video on all my top favorites, like seriously home stuff, let me know down below in the comments or give this video a thumbs up. We have a book bag. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. No, how cute. All right, I'm sneaking a peek. I have this backpack, which Davis is probably gonna love. This is from Mel Storm, and it's a cooler backpack. Oh, we are so using that. Like on hikes and stuff, this would be amazing. There's also like a really nice pocket in the front. Kind of looks like you could store some, oh look, here we go. Watch before using. Oh, well, I'm gonna save that. I'm excited, you have some storage compartments. So like if we, oh look, and there's another one back here. We're gonna put this to use. What's next? Valentine's Day is coming up, so this could be cute. Juhu, this is a women's striped sweater. Oh, it's soft. I don't ever have good luck with Amazon clothing. I don't know what it is. I get it all in the mail and then I end up hating it for some reason. Unless there's like some random ones that I'll share with you guys, a lot of it goes back. This feels really good. Okay. I'm gonna have to try these on, but this is like a cropped top, and it comes with shorts, and these are so soft, and I love the drawstring. I think she sent more stuff too, but I think this is the like a big box that I had sent to me. I don't know where everything else is. Oh yes, okay, this is a, I used to use one of these back in the day. The sticker's covering it, so I don't know exactly what you call it. It's basically where you can use a color on your eyeshadow brush and then switch the color. You remember when this was like a thing? Do you guys remember? I used to use this all the time back in the day, but it wasn't this brand. I don't know what brand it was. This is a brush color removal. It's like a little sponge, and you can take basically any eyeshadow brush and just kind of go like this, and it'll get the color off, and you can use a different color, so you can use the same brush over and over again. I know this one looks dirty. It was really just super dirty, and now it's better than it was. I love this, and I'm totally gonna use it. I'm gonna put it right up here. What is this? Ooh, Sunnies. Actually, I do think I saw these. Do I look cool? I love it. I think the quality is really nice. They kind of look like Versace from the side. These are cute. I don't know, do you like them on me? I never wear like small sunglasses. What do we think? Ooh, leggings. Okay, Crazy Yoga. Now I have heard a lot of people talk about Crazy Yoga. I don't know if I've bought anything from Crazy Yoga. Maybe I have in a past Amazon video. I can't remember, but these are just the yoga leggings. These are size medium, which is like my perfect size usually. I'm going to try these out. They feel really nice. I love this color. I also love like that double stitch that's going on there. Spartos tape. This is sports tape. I feel like things had notes with it too, but I don't have any of that now. She sent this for a reason. I think this is like what you can use to also like tape up your chest. If you don't want to use like a sticky bra or something, you could use sports tape to keep things in place. So that's what I'll be using it for. If I'm not mistaken, Skims and just a lot of other brands have something very similar to this. So I'm sure it was more affordable on Amazon. Definitely try it out. Tape them up, let you know what I think. Let's see what's in this box. A gift for you. Oh, this one has it. There's a little note. But it says, I went with the beige to be safe, but this purse also comes in green. I remember you mentioning you were on the hunt for a good Balenciaga dupe in green from Nick Mullen. Ooh, let's see. The whole concept behind me doing this is like having someone else buy me things that they love and they're like obsessed with so I can try them out. So that's what makes this fun, like that they like all these items and stuff. Now, if I don't like something, it's not because I think it's bad or whatever, but everybody has different tastes, you know what I mean? I actually tried to get this bag months ago. I already know I'm gonna love it because I just saw the handle and I know exactly what bag she's talking about, and I was gonna get the green one for it too. I love it. Comes with a little beautiful dust bag. I love it. No, this is like the texture. Oh my gosh, I'm leaving the link down below. I'm so excited this was in here. What's just crazy is I was gonna get the Kelly green one of this, but I'm pretty sure when I was ordering it, it was like super back ordered or something. No, this is cute. And the actual like texture of it feels like real leather. All right, I saw these as I opened it. I'm so excited. I was gonna order this for the kids this upcoming year. Oh my gosh, but I think Mason's gonna be the one that fits these. Yeah, for sure. So these are toddler little kid slides, boys and girls. These are the color beige. I just fucking love them. I want these in my size. What's next? Okay. The Catrice Liquid Camouflage. Okay, I haven't tried this in a minute. She said, I hope this shade matches gift receipt just in case. Honestly, you're just too sweet. Thank you. I am excited to try this again. I haven't tried it in a long time, but I'll keep you updated. I do think this color is perfection. This color is in light beige, and it looks like it's going to be a really good color for me. Oh. Okay, sounds like it's breakable. Farmhouse Ceramic Harvest Bowl set of 4. Farmhouse normally isn't my go-to style. I wouldn't say I'm farmhouse. I don't know what style I really am. I don't want to say like a classic style, I guess. Like I'm more into, I don't know. Like I like some antique stuff mixed with modern stuff, but not really even modern. I don't know. I'm really excited. These are precious. They're little fruit bowls. And they're like have little blueberries. That is cute. That is adorable, and this is something I would totally have all of my fruit in, which I'm gonna definitely move my berries over to this. They are really great quality, like wow. So you have the like navy blue and then the cream. These are adorable. You're opening my eyes to different things I probably didn't know I needed, but now I know I do. What is this? This feels like a big box too. Hold on. Oh, here's something. I'm excited for this cold compression headache hack. Now, I don't normally get headaches, but I feel like this could be good just to relax, like at night, maybe like before bed or something. So it's Comfy Tech. And let's see. Wow, this is like heavy duty. Oh, it's like a mat. It's a mat. Okay. Oh wait, do you put it around your head? That's so interesting. Should I do it now? Ooh, okay. Okay. That feels really nice. Do I look ridiculous right now? That was really cooling. Like my head's still cool. I could see how that could definitely work for headaches. Let me get this little pamphlet out. So this is the eye and head one, but they have like a neck one, an arm one, a back one, a bunch of different things. How cool. I'm gonna read up on this and definitely like go look all the reviews and stuff, but that's super cool. Like I said, my head still feels chilled. Now we have this dress. I will admit it's a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I'll definitely see how it looks on. The blues, it's a nice maxi. This could be a really great swim cover up. It is like a slinky material, so it'd be very forgiving, like in the heat and stuff, you wouldn't get overheated. Oil Control on the Go from Revlon. I could have just used this. I feel like I've had this numerous times and I just never keep track of it. Why I probably get rid of it is because I'm lazy and I don't want to like clean it. Do like these. So basically what it is, it's a roller that you could put on your face. In place of powder, you can just roll this on your skin. So, probably not gonna get any now, but it'll make you matte. Give it to me. I'm all for it. I'm gonna keep this up here, try it a little bit more, but I think it just took off my makeup. It did. It just took off my nose makeup. Okay, I don't know if I can do it. Okay, maybe we won't use that on the nose because that's like the only place it took off makeup was my nose, but everywhere else seems fine. All right, what else? We have another big box. Oh my gosh. Wait. I love how tall these are. I'm not gonna be able to open this, am I? Oh, I'm just gonna let me have lip gloss all over my lip teeth. These are my favorite glasses ever. I don't have a full set, like a 4-piece set. I have like different ones that like Etsy people have put like vinyl stickers on and stuff that I bought from Etsy. I don't have any clear ones, but these are my favorite. Oh my God, I don't know, there's something about the shape. I know they're going pretty viral now, but like, these are it. I think we originally got our first one from like a brewery or something. These are good. If you don't have them, they're really nice glasses to have. Oh, yeah, we have quite a few. This pink Zote soap. I have never heard of this before. It says, oh, it's a laundry soap bar. Okay, I'm gonna have to read up on this because I'm not seeing instructions on here. Okay, this has almost 5 stars with 2,400 reviews. And it says about the product, okay, this is interesting. Some fishermen use it for catfish bait. You'll love using this to clean your makeup brushes. Oh yes, I'm going to try that because I need to clean mine really bad. And sponges, nothing compares to it. It deep cleans your brushes and sponges to give it a really good clean. It's an excellent start for making your own homemade laundry detergent. I'm probably gonna use this more so for my makeup brushes. And I also want to figure out how to do it for laundry detergent. So if you know, let me know. I would love to try it out for laundry and just see how it works, but this is the Argan Oil, ooh, Heat Defense Leave-In Spray. Okay, especially formulated to help defend your hair against blah, blah, blah. Shake well before use, after you towel dry. Spray generously from root to tips. Okay, so use it on wet hair. I'm gonna see what it smells like. Oh yeah, that smells good. That smells like, you know, that smells so good. That smells like your cleanest friend that just always has their hair washed and it just smells incredible. We have this blush tower, which I will absolutely use the heck out of because all of these colors are my kind of color. What's this called? Music Flower 5 color blusher. Okay, let me see. I want to use this top one. Of course, I'm going to use like the brightest pink. Oh, hold on. Let me tap that off. Oh. Oh, that's pretty. A nice flush. Yeah, these are going to be my kind of color. So there's the top color, the second color, the more peach tone, pink again, and then the more like mauve-y kind of neutral with a brush on the bottom, but I can't get it open. There we go. That would be like a great everyday color. This is beautiful. A lot of the colors that, I mean, every single color in this I would use, so I'm definitely going to put this up on my desk. Green Tea Matcha Firming Eye Mask. All natural ingredients. Green tea extract, vitamin E, hyaluronic acid. Okay, I'm excited to use this for sure. With the green tea and all of that, I bet you that's a great one to use like right when you get up in the morning. When I tell you I need these right now, I need them right now. These are the magnetic child locks. It's a 12 pack. Is this the one we have? Yes, we have this one. Okay, yeah, because we used to have the ones where it clips underneath this right here that you like put to the top of your counters. Anyways, I need this especially for our trash can area because we like just redid that and they can like get in that drawer now. So I'm going to use the crap out of this. I don't know if this is the same brand we use, but it's definitely the same concept. And honestly, you can never have too many of these magnetic little openers because you always lose the other ones. And the magnet does the same thing for like all the child locks. It ends with us. Okay, let me tell you something. I'm so looking forward to this, and I've tried to get into Colleen Hoover stuff, but anyways, what I was saying is my camera just went off on me. Okay, I have Audible, and I was listening to one Colleen Hoover book, but I wasn't like obsessed with it right off the bat. It was a little bit weird to me. I know I've heard so many people talk about this, and I'm really late on the Colleen Hoover, like, you know, bandwagon. I was listening to Outlander last on Audible. That's because I'm obsessed with Outlander. What's the one that I was trying? Let's see. Oh, Verity. So Verity was the one I got into, and I don't know if I should keep going with it. I was listening to it on Audible. Like, it's like one of those things where it's really great to listen on the go. I probably would read this, but also listen to the audiobook at the same time, because I kind of love when people read to me. I like to read this one though, because I think a lot of people have said this is a really good one. So if I didn't complete Verity, let me know if I'm gonna love this one. I'm gonna go probably start it tonight anyways, but let me know your thoughts. That's it. Okay. I don't know what this is. Looks very interesting. Excited. I feel like I should do this again. Let me know if you want to see another video like this down below, because it's kind of fun. What is this? I have seen this girl. I don't know if this has been ads, but I have seen this everywhere where she, like, if this is the same company. I don't know if it's the same company, but there's a lady who like invented something like this, and she'll go up to people like in the airport or different places and like offer it to them for free if she sees them carrying their child on their hip. I carry Madison on my hip all the time. It's a baby hip seat carrier. I am so interested because Maddie loves to be held. I'll definitely be trying this out like in the airport or something. That is key. And it's an easy thing to have. Like, it's just one strap and then they just sit right on the cushion. Love it. Okay guys, that was everything in my Amazon mystery box from one of my followers. Thank you so much to her for taking the time out, obviously, to pick out all these things and share her favorite things with me. I definitely want to do this again. I think it'd be so fun, and I would love to do like maybe specific categories like home decor, makeup, just like a bunch of different things. So let me know if you're interested down below. Also, I did pick the follower from my Instagram DMs, so go follow me on Instagram. I'll let you know when I do this again, and you can try, like, if you're interested and you want to like show me your favorite things. Of course, I'll pay for it and then also give you a gift card too, but let me know. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram though, so if I do ask for another person to participate, you have an opportunity if you're wanting to do that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm loving this blush right now, first of all. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!